Hi friends, welcome to Gautam Brothers the Unschoolers. So there's this new Godot project I've been working on. It's a flight simulator. You can see the airport right now. And let me just zoom in for a minute so you can see the plane. And this is the plane. I have a video on my channel, a time lapse of me making this plane. You can go watch that. It's in the corner now if you want. And the script for the code, I mostly use ChatGPT, but I did put a little, put bug fixes, features and stuff in there myself. Yeah, I was working on something. So far, like right now, this is what the screen looks like. So we have this top down camera and this camera, which is really useful for landing. You can see all three landing gear here. And this is the main camera, which is just like a third person. Here we have throttle, speed, altitude and flaps. So shift and control respectively set the throttle up and down. Down is for higher level flaps and up is for lower level flaps. It's a little confusing, but it makes sense when you think that flaps go down when they are higher, like in degrees. Altitude and speed explain themselves. A and D are for roll, right and left arrows for ground control. Q and E are for turning in the air, and W and S pitch it up and down. So a typical takeoff sequence would go something like flaps to 20 degrees, full throttle, and pull up. And we have left the ground. You can see up, and we can set the flaps off now. Q and E for turning. You can see all the speed and altitude updates live. By the way, the speed is getting blocked out a bit. It's kilometers per hour, not kilometers. And let me just do a quick barrel roll. WWW, pull up, pull up. Yeah, I did a barrel roll. Okay, yeah, that's fun. There's also stalling, so if I point this plane up extremely high, you can see my speed is going down very fast, and pretty soon, if you just wait a minute, my altitude's gonna start going down too, especially if we kill the throttle. Yeah, very clearly my speed is now falling. And I'm gonna hit the ground. And I hit the ground. Another thing, if I restart the simulation, this is ground handling, so I'll just set the throttle to around 20%, and right and left arrow work on the ground. So let's say I'll taxi. I don't know how planes, like, actually what paths they take, but okay. Yeah, I'm not the best pilot. I did just toss my plane off. I think 50% would be a little high for taxiing. And I don't think we should be taxiing on the runway. I have no idea what this bump keeps coming. Do let me know in the comments if you know, because it's very annoying, because it randomly pops up. Yeah, so I think there's enough demonstration for taxiing. It's really nothing fun. But however, there is one thing fun, which if I just lift off right now, and yes, this thing can fly without flaps, and rotation, lift off, and now if I land, okay, come on, that was too slow, so I'll have to do it again. Yep. Smoke, touchdown smoke. That's like by far the coolest thing I've ever done in Godot. So hope you liked it, and if I do anything more to this, I'll upload a video about it. Bye.